have no right keeping me out. Get Tolu out here this instant. She's not coming out to talk to you, Femi, unless you want the police to escort you off the property. I want this restraining order thrown out by noon. My wife is throwing a temper tantrum, and her family is manipulating her.
You look like a completely different person, Tolu. The heavy cloud is finally gone.
Let's see the divorce settlement demands. Full primary custody, supervised visitation, spousal support? What is this garbage?
Just stay calm, Tolu. Stick to the facts. Let the documentation speak for itself. You've got this. I'm ready, barrister. I have nothing to hide anymore.
Of my time, Martins. Make sure the judge throws out her ridiculous custody claims immediately. Just let me do the talking, Femi. Her legal team came prepared with substantial digital and psychological records. Keep your temper in check. We are here today to hear arguments, residency, and protective injunction. Barrister Daniels, you may present your opening statement for the petitioner.
Thank you, my lord. My client, Mrs. Tolu, seeks permanent protective separation and primary custody based on a sustained pattern of severe psychological abuse, targeted postpartum body shaming, and systematic emotional isolation.
My lord, what we are witnessing here is a routine marital dispute blown out of proportion. My client was merely encouraging his wife to maintain her health and wellness after childbirth. Words spoken in private marriage dynamics are being encouragement, counselor? Let us look at the evidence exhibits provided by the prosecution before we classify psychological degradation as mere encouragement.
Exhibit A, my lords, where the respondent repeatedly compares his called her an eyesore, mocked her physical recovery. This was after an emergency procedure. This is unacceptable. Exhibit B, audio recordings of the respondent mocking her distress, labeling her mental state as pathological.
Objection! Those were private conversations taken out of context. Shut up, Femi! You're making it worse.
Mrs. Tolu, in your own words, describe your living conditions during the months following the birth of your child. For months, my lord, I believed that my body was a failure because my husband told me so every single day. When I cried from exhaustion, he called it manipulation. When I asked for kindness, he called it weakness. I didn't just feel unloved, I felt erased in my own home.
She's lying! Order in the courtroom. One more outburst from the respondent and I will have him removed for contempt. Continue, Mrs. Tolu.
Mr. Femi, do you deny telling your wife that she had let herself go weeks after major CS surgery?
I was speaking the truth. A man has standards. She should know that. She shouldn't have let herself go. I am being honest with her.
So you maintain that psychological degradation of a postpartum mother is simply honesty?
I meant that we need discipline in a home. She's twisting everything to make me look like a monster.
No further questions, my lord. The respondent's own words speak volumes.
This court has reviewed all testimonies, transcripts, and medical records regarding the postpartum respondent. Marriage is designed to be a sanctuary of mutual support, not a platform for narcissistic control and emotional demolition. Therefore, I hereby grant permanent protective separation. Primary physical and legal custody of the child is awarded to the petitioner, with supervised, restricted visitation rights granted to the respondent. Court adjourned. Mrs. Tolu, do you have any statement regarding the court's decision?
To every mother fighting quietly behind closed doors is a temple of life, and not a measure of someone else's approval. Never let anyone talk you down. Know your self-worth.
No entry for the shadows that you thought you'd move around.
I lost everything. My child, my home. What have I done?
You're reaching for the glass through shades that hide your eyes, but the driveway is a border where the old script finally dies.